Right, good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today is obviously a new thing we just currently working on still. This is one of our radio station things. Obviously, it's a very basic thing, as you can see. Obviously, these are these video URL codes and also the actual CCS codes, and basically, it's all I like to use for any links or URLs, such as advertisements. Things like, if you've got a listening code from a third-party site, then you can actually embed it into these codes, through your admin panel. Obviously, same again, these templates were from Unsplash, which are these photographs, for example. Without further ado, where it's going on. So for the About Us page, basically what we decided to do is that we're trying to make it like a subcategory. So that obviously it's been like a non-clickable link, but obviously it will show like an actual subcategory. So you obviously got the About Us section of your radio station, just like, we've made this one a bit more sympathetic, which is like just to make it like asking like regards to like one photograph about your station, like who's your team, who runs it, that kind of stuff. Also, Listen Live was obviously like a blank external link, but basically you could use that if you got an actual third party link that you can actually use and just like replace that link, external link, with your actual URL. Also the shop, this was like a subcategory with 3 pages, and the idea is that obviously you actually have like different types of services or whatever you want. We've all got like physical, digital services or memberships. Obviously these links are obviously clickable. To give an example, so we click on physical item, it takes us to like an actual item. This could be like a physical item that you're selling that needs to be shipped. It could be even a digital item that you can be able to download. It could be a membership that you offer, or even a service that you offer. And same again, the contact us page. We made it very sympathetic. With the email, phone number, and address, like in case what to say, you got multiple emails or multiple phone numbers or multiple addresses. We just made it like completely empty, and also we made this completely blank at the very bottom here. So the whole idea is that over here is that, like I said, in case you got any blanks, over here, you can just like fill them in with your own, content, whatever you want. But yeah, obviously, also ignore this the static photograph, because obviously that's classed as one of those embedded things. So obviously we didn't actually have a source code we can just like give you an example of, but there is a lot of third-party links and embedded source codes that you can actually embed into this, and obviously it would appear on the home page, which also shouldn't be a problem. But obviously, yeah, this took us about almost just like 24 hours, about a day or something like that it took us. But obviously, we just try to like get some ideas from different like websites to see how we can try and make a template design, that's very basic. Obviously, same again, these are like our logos, but you can place these, with your logo, your brand. It's entirely up to you what you want to do with this template. But yeah, if you've got any questions, people, about setting up a radio station, and obviously which template is suitable or anything like that, please feel free to ask any questions below, and we'll be happy to help.